Hey, welcome back to my channel. Smart Audio Glasses Anti-Blue Light Lens. Open-ear audio? It allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying your music. Hi-fi stereo sound. Build a Bluetooth audio eyeglasses, upgrading from frontline chips, headsets to loudspeakers to ensure the reduction of noise on the phone and restore the fidelity effectively. Bluetooth headphone, upgraded Bluetooth chips, faster and steadier. Excellent sound quality, steady compatibility and connection. IP67 waterproof, professional waterproof and sweatproof performance. Equipped with waterproof performance of up to level IP67 in cooperation with precision technology, effectively preventing the splash of domestic water and sweat. Long working time, abundant power, more long-lasting endurance. Inbuilt large capacity dual batteries. Enduring for around 7 days with only 2 hours charging. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.